Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to make aromatic, flavorful, healthy, nutritious and delicious meatballs. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients we need are minced lamb meat 1 kg, butter or oil 400 grams, onion paste 400 grams or 2 cups, garlic paste 2 tablespoons, ginger paste 2 tablespoons, tomato paste 500 grams or 2 cups. Put 1 kg minced lamb meat into chopper along with quarter cup fried onion, 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 tablespoon chopped green chilies, coriander leaves and mint leaves each. Add 1 teaspoon raw papaya paste, red chili flakes, salt and dried fenugreek leaves. Add 2 tablespoons homemade meatballs masala powder, kofta masala powder, 3 tablespoons of almond powder, pumpkin seeds powder, cashew nut powder, and crushed coconut each. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Chop well. Transfer mixture in a bowl. Cover it and refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours. After this, make medium-sized meatballs and fry these balls in 1.5 cup preheated oil on medium-low flame for 8 minutes till golden brown color appears on the entire ball. Now it's time to prepare sauce or curry for fried meatballs. Preheat 150 grams oil or butter. Add 2 cups or 400 grams onion paste along with 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste each and fry till light golden. Add half teaspoon black pepper powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt along with 4 tablespoons of homemade kofta masala powder. Mix well and fry for 3 minutes. Now add fried meatballs, half cup yogurt, mix it and let it cook on medium flame. After 3 to 5 minutes, add 1 cup of warm meat stock or warm water and cook it again. As liquid dries up and oil appears on surface, add 1 tablespoon of almond powder, cashew nut powder, pumpkin seeds powder, and crushed coconut each. Also add quarter cup of crushed fried onion, quarter teaspoon dried and crushed fenugreek leaves, and quarter teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Give it a mix. Cover for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix well and serve. For homemade kofta masala powder, the ingredients we need are quarter cup of fried onion, half teaspoon ginger and garlic powder each, salt, quarter teaspoon, dry roasted coriander seeds, 3 to 4 tablespoons, dry roasted cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon, dry roasted gram flour or roasted chickpeas, quarter to half cup, it's optional, cloves, 4 pieces, cinnamon stick, half-inch piece, green cardamom, 4 to 5, whole red button chilies or dried whole red chilies, or 1 or 2, dried fenugreek leaves, half teaspoon, grind into fine powder or chunky powder as per your own choice. Use this spice mix and enjoy aromatic and delicious great meal. We use this spice mix in meatballs and in curry too. Flavorful, aromatic, healthy, nutritious, and delicious meatballs are ready to serve now. We hope you will give it a try, enjoy and share with your family, friends and people around you. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.